Okay, good afternoon. I just got done opening up a box of 2011 Playoff Contenders football, and here's what I got. Start off with the 2011 Draft Class Cameron Jordan, Mark Ingram. Draft Class of Adrian Claiborne and Daquan Bowers. Draft Class of Colin Kaepernick and Kendall Hunter. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Aldon Smith. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Delone Carter. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Blaine Gabbert. Rookie Roll Call, Lance Kendricks. Rookie Roll Call, DeMarco Murray. Rookie Roll Call of Alex Green. Legendary Contenders, Danny White. Legendary Contenders, Bruce Smith. Actually got another Legendary Contenders of Bruce Smith. Super Bowl ticket, Aaron Rodgers. Super Bowl ticket of John Riggins. Super Bowl ticket of Pierre Thomas. And an Ahmad Bradshaw Super Bowl ticket. This is actually the gold version, number 38 of 100. Now onto my autographs. We can start off with a John Baldwin on-card autograph. This is actually the short print version. There's no Rydell on the helmet. Got a Clyde Gates on-card autograph. Philip Tanner autograph. Mason Foster autograph. Stanley Havili autograph. And a Laquan Williams autograph. Alright, thanks for watching. I will talk to you later.